Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Way. Today we are going to discuss daily current affairs of 7th June 2021. So please stay with me at the end of the video. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Anurag Thakur has recently launched Hisab Ki Kitab. It is a series of. So the correct answer is A. Short films. Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Anurag Thakur launched the 6 modules of short films of Investor Education Protection Fund Authority titled Hisab Ki Kitab. He is Anurag Singh Thakur and he is a member of Parliament from Hamirpur constituency in Himachal Pradesh. He is the son of Prem Kumar Dhumal, the former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Next question is, who recently won the Belgrade Open title 2021? The correct answer is B. Novak Djokovic. He captured the 83rd title of his career. He is Novak Djokovic. He is a Serbian tennis player and he is the only player to win all the big titles on the ATP. That is all 4 Grand Slam tournaments, all 9 ATP Master events and the ATP finals. And now he is the Serbian map. This is the country at the crossroads of Central and Southeast Europe. The capital of Serbia is Belgrade and the president of Serbia is Alexander Vučić and the currency of Serbia is Serbian dinar. The next question is, which of the following institution has recently hosted Asia's first international memory studies workshop? So the correct answer is C. IIT Madras. IIT Madras hosted virtually Asia's first international memory studies workshop. The key objective of this workshop are to provide platform to train and mentor doctoral and postdoctoral researchers in the memory studies. And now talking about IIT Madras. So the IIT Madras is a public technical university under the Ministry of Education. It was founded in 1959 and it is located at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So the next question is, world's first CO2 neutral cement plant will open in where by 2030? So the correct answer of this question is C. Sweden. Heidelberg Cement is the company which is the world's second largest cement maker, plans to turn its Swedish factory in Slite into the world's first CO2 neutral cement plant by 2030 via carbon capture technology. Here is the map of Sweden and Sweden is in Europe. Capital of Sweden is Stockholm The currency of Sweden is krona, and the Prime Minister of Sweden is Stefan Löfven. Next question is, which of the following group recently joined with the energy investment program of Bill Gates to boost green technology? So the correct answer is D, European Union. And the European Union is a political and economic union of 27 members states that are located primarily in Europe. European Union headquarter is in Brussels, Belgium. It was founded in 1993. European Union received the Nobel Peace Prize in 2012 for causes of peace, reconciliation, democracy and human rights in Europe. Next question is, Vishwametri River project recently received a National Green Tribunal node. Which city is located on the bank of river Vishwametri River? So the correct answer of this question is B, Vadodara. NGT, National Green Tribunal, recently directed to BMC to implement Vishwametri River action plan and maintaining the integrity of river. Now talking about NGT, National Green Tribunal, its headquarters is in New Delhi and it was founded in 2010, and the present chairman of this agency is Adarsh Kumar Goel, which is the retired judge of Supreme Court. And now Vadodara, which is formerly known as Baroda, located on the bank of Vishwametri River, which is in Gujarat state. Now next question is, Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Thawar Chand Gehlot virtually launched an initiative called. So the correct answer is D, SAGE, SAGE. The Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment virtually launched an initiative called SAGE on June 4, 2021. So the SAGE is SAGE, which means Senior Care Aging Growth Engine. The SAGE portal to support India's elderly persons. The next question is, the International Booker Prize, formerly known as the Man Booker International Prize, has been awarded since. So the correct answer of this question is D, 2005. The International Booker Prize, formerly known as the Man Booker International Prize, has been awarded since 2005. It is awarded to a novel which is written in English, means and this prize was established in 2005 and it is presented by Man Group. It is a company in UK, United Kingdom. The next question is question number 9. So who have recently won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021? And the correct answer is C, Jerry Wendt and Nitin Rakesh. So talking about Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wendt, Here is Nitin Rakesh. He is an Indian American businessman. And here is Jerry Wind, which is from USA, and he is a professor. Won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021 for their book in Transformation in Times of Crisis. Next question is, what is the current repo rate as per RBI monetary policy 4th June 2021? The correct answer of this question is D, 4%. The repo rate, which is the rate at which commercial banks borrow money by selling their securities to the central bank of our country, that is RBI, to maintain liquidity in case of shortage of funds or due to some statutory measures. Now talking about RBI, it is the Reserve Bank of India, which is the central bank of Indian, and which is governed under the Ministry of Finance. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, and it was founded in 1935, and now present governor of this bank RBI is Mr. Shaktikant Das. If you like this video, so please comment and share, and please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.